Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through the recent updates that we have made to improve Matrix dictionary experience. So one of the significant improvements that we have made is in the search functionality. So previously it was just a text-based search, but now you can search using various filters like, for example, product group, time frame, sources. So if I click on the product group and select, for example, optimize, I can see metrics only for optimized group. Um, and we can also filter with other fields as well, like for example, milestone. I can also type that will filter out the milestone as well. So if I select 17.0, I can see like these four metrics were instrumented by optimized group in 17.0. Uh, Another feature that we have done is the URL sharing. So as you can see, whatever the filters are there, they are being appended here in the URL. So this URL is actually shareable. So if I open this in new tab, I can see that the filters are there as well. Uh, Apart from that, like we have also did some of the table improvements here. So for example, uh, if I remove everything, uh, this all the fields are, you can see, is clickable, so that will actually filter based on that. So for example, if I take source as internal events, it will by default filter with internal events as a source, and I can see the metrics only for internal events. Similar to, I can do the filter for group as well, or milestones. So another change we did was like we have added metric trend dashboard. So that will take us to the Tableau dashboard for that particular metric here only, so that you don't need to search in the Tableau to see where this metric is. Another update is like when we click on any of the row, it opens up the detail view kind of thing where we can see all the details about it. Like we have like Snowflake query and self for self manage and .com here that we can use. Uh, Also, like we have the key path link. Like if we also have a dedicated details page here. So when we click on that, we can see the details page here. And further, if we click on that, like it takes us to the actual YAML file metrics definition here. Um, yeah, and similar changes are there for events as well. So here also, like we can filter with categories, milestones. So if I click on 14.9, I can see this many events were instrumented in 14.9 milestone. Another one important update that we did was like, for example, if I click on any detail page, I can see the associated events here. So what it tells is for this matrix, this event is being used. So if I click on this event, I'm being directly taken to the create merge request event. And as we can see, this is in the events tab, and we can also see the detail of that particular event here. Uh, Another interesting change we did here is like adding an analytics dashboard. So what this dashboard looks like is it's just a visual representation of the data we have. So right now we have filtered with metrics by default. Now we can see here like how many metrics are inactive, removed, or broken status, and like in which milestones they were added. And we can kind of look past them like for the milestone wise. Also, like we have like for which source uh, it is there, which tier it belongs to, and which category. We can also filter this with product group. So anyone can see for like for this product group how the data looks like. So for example, this is for Gitly cluster. Uh, that is a breakdown. And also there is one more feature that like if I click on this graph, for example, in the milestone distribution, I can get for the 13.11 milestone metrics for this product group. So if I click on that, I'll be taken to the service ping page where I can see Gitly dashboard milestones 13.11. This metric was there. So similar to that, like we have, for example, we can do for events as well. So right now we have added just two graphs for events. Uh, so here also we can do the milestone distribution and see product wise data. So if I see the code review and just see the tier distribution and click on that, I'll be taken to the events page and can see all the events for code review which are in free tier. Yeah, that's all the changes are there. Yeah, thank you.